How to use CC-wide time.
あれ、大丈夫?
Looking for CC-wide time. In the parameters forward steps and backward steps, set the value to. In the native motion blur parameter, select on. Move to 25 frames. Set keyframes. Move to 9 frames. In the parameters forward steps and backward steps, set the value 3. Move to 13 frames. Put the keyframes again. Move to 7 frames. Set the value to 0. Looking for BCC lens blur. In the iris scale parameter, set the value to 0. Move to 8 frames. Set keyframe. Move to 6 frames. In the iris scale parameter, set the value to 0, 2. Move to 16 frames. In the iris scale parameter, set the value to 0. Move to 9 frames. In the iris scale parameter, set the value to 0, 1. Move to 6 frames. Set the value to 0. In the scale X and scale Y parameters, set the value to 10,000. This parameter is set to 800. Choose 8 sides. Iris curvature, set the value to 200. Bokeh, set the value to -20. And bokeh shading, set value 0. Highlight boost set to 10. Highlight threshold set to 68.